Hi, Ranka here from Solutions Organizing Sample, the Queen of Clean. I want to tell you a little bit about my business. I have been in business for the last 15 years. I created a couple of coaching programs on disorganization and procrastination. I also published over 30 articles nationally and internationally, presented over 150 workshops for different companies, and I also serve hundreds and hundreds of clients, helping them to organize their homes, offices, and so on. But this is not about me today. It's about a young man from Langley who is an expert in internet marketing, something I really did badly. So I met Daryl Oberg about a couple of years ago, hired him to design my new website, which I'm very proud of, to expose me to all kind of social media, anywhere from Facebook to LinkedIn in between, and who put my business on the map, somewhere where I really want to go. I'm still working with Daryl, and I highly recommend him. If you want your business to succeed, if you want to move forward and play with big guys, hire Daryl Oberg. Thank you so much. Good luck with Daryl. I have success, and I know you will too.